this is the home page of the application. So to start, you need to at least configure one AI agent. In my case, I went ahead and configured Gemini. So we will be using that. For the integration, I kept them all activated. Um, Exa is the one I'm using for this demo. Has a free tier, but is basically a paid API, but it offers a free tier, which we'll be using because it yields the best results out of all of the other integrations. Okay, so let's go ahead and create a new project. For this, we only have to put in the title. Now, we can use the AI agent to generate the keywords, the questions, and let's change the status of this project to data collection. Okay, with that out of the way, let's go ahead and start collecting some research papers. As I said before, I will be using Exa, and mm, it takes a while to search. Okay, now it's returned all these results. So let's go ahead and save all of them for now. We will filter them later. So for the filtering, this is in the manage view of the literature. You can delete, update, or view. For example, if we want to open this one, we click on that button, and it will open a new window with the PDF paper. So now, next step will be to start writing. So we selected the project. Let's start a new draft. We can set the generation language of the report. For now, I'm supporting 5 languages in addition to English, which are the main languages for the United Nations. We can add more languages if users would like to. So for now, let's use English. And it generated an outline of the project. So I can keep it as is or manually adding or deleting any sections or subsections that I want to. So for now, let's say keep it as it is, or for simplicity, let's remove all the sections and keep only the first one, so we can get our draft faster. So let's click Save and Generate and click on the Generate Outline. So the first two were generated successfully and the third one. So now supposedly we would have a draft. Let's save our changes, go back to our project and click on View Report. So here, as you can see, we have all of the sections that we agreed upon in the outline earlier. And here we have the references. We can export this to Microsoft Docs and then modify it or export it to PDF and share it. So basically, this is the application. You can change your settings of the report parameters. For now, for example, I'm using a minimum of 5 sections per report and a maximum of 10 sections. And for each section, I'm using a minimum of 2 subsections and a maximum of 5 subsections. So you get the idea. You can modify these to optimize your generated report. Thank you.